Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's look at this question under small change as an application of differentiation. The length of a slide of a square is 4 centimeters. We have to find the increase in the area of the square when the side expand by 0.1 centimeter, meaning the increase or the increment in the side of the square is going to be 0.1, whilst the length itself is given as this. So we are looking at for what is the small change that will happen in the area. First of all, what will be the area of a square? That's the parameter we need to indicate. So we know that from the question, if we are using, let A be the area and L be the length, better still be the side. So if that's the case, we know the L has been given to us as 4 centimeters. The small change in the L has also been given as 0.1 centimeter. Then what are we looking for? We are looking for the area of a square. What is the area of a square? We know area of square is given by A equals to L square, where we know the side of a square are the same, so their area will be the length times length. So if that's the case, let's find the differentiation of A with respect to what? L. So 2 come forward, then we have 2L after we differentiate. So this is what we are going to have. But we also know that the change, that is delta A over the delta L, is approximately equals to the differentiation of A with respect to what? L, from the small change formula. So we are looking for delta A, so we multiply by delta L, meaning your delta A will be equals, that is approximately dA over dL times delta L, whereby dA dL is here, so we only substitute as our delta A is approximately 2L times what? Delta L. So L is known from here. Delta L is also known. So I can say that your L equals to 4 centimeters. Delta L is 0.1 centimeter. So our delta A will be approximately 2 times 4 times 0.1. This will be 8, right? 8 times 0.1 will be 0.8. So that will be giving us 0.8. Are we dealing with area? Centimeter, so centimeter square. So we can say by conclusion that the area of the square is what? Expanding or increasing by 0.8 centimeter squared. Now, don't forget, in the first episode, I also deal with another alternate method. And I'm sure you can apply that alternate method also to this and see if you have the same answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.